Let's draw a hen.
D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Let's begin with a curve right about here. Like that. Next, we'll add another curve here. And then some more curves. Are you ready? Let's go 1, 2, 3. We'll stop there. We're going to come over to the other side of the paper. Now, let's add in the beak. Let's add in 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines. And then we're going to join them all with a curve. Ready? Like this. Next, we're going to add some curves on the top of the head. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Next, we'll add a line right here. And then a curve. And then a line up. And then a curve down. Now we'll add a curve for the eye. And then 3 lines for the eyelashes. I don't know whether hens have eyelashes, but my cartoon character does. Next, we are going to add in the wing. So we'll add in a bunch of curves starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we're going to add a curve down from here to here. Now let's draw some hay for the nesting area. So we'll do a bunch of curvy and straight lines. They don't have to be connected. They don't have to look exactly like what I'm doing. But I will definitely give you time to catch up if you're following what I'm doing. See, some of them are curved and some of them are straight. And it doesn't matter where you put the curved ones or the straight ones. It's just what you think looks best. Now I'm going to do something similar up here. Okay, well, watch how I do it. I'll do some straight lines and some curved lines. Doesn't that look like a nesting area in some hay? Now we're going to add in some more lines inside that shape. They can be curves or straight lines, whatever you think. Now let's add in, I'll take my time, I'll let you catch up. I'm going to add in just a few details of feathers on the hen. You ready? We'll add in a few curves here. Maybe some U shapes here. And then a few curves here. This is a hen. What color will you make your hen? Will you draw anything else in the scene? I'm so curious to see what you'll come up with. Thanks for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.